Hey guys, we are going to practice today modal verb need to and dare to. Yeah, this is our last session or last practice session about modal verb, and after that we will switch off some new subject that will be very necessary to learn in order to get a fluency on in spoken English. So guys, if you are interested and beginner want to grow and want to start speaking English, anyhow you are not able to start, so you must have to know about need to and dare to, where we should use need to and where we should use dare to. Need to, the meaning of need to is जरूरत है. As we always know since childhood, we have studied about need means जरूरत, आवश्यकता. So whenever any kind of need regarding your personal or anything, you must have to use need to. And when you have to show your dare, your himmat, okay, then you should use dare to. Means first we are going to start about need to, then we can discuss about dare to. First let's start it about need to. Need to means जरूरत है, okay. आवश्यकता है, our personal grievance, whatever the thing are going on, we need at this moment, we should use need to. Like I need to go to new company. The syntax, the formula of using is subject plus need to. Need to, always use need to, not only need to. This is exact modal verb. Need to, and then base verb means verb 1. Base verb means verb 1, and then object, whatever you are using, you just add on in the last. So how it could be like मुझे पानी पीने की ज़रूरत है. I need to drink water. I need to, verb 1, drink water. So this is our necessity. Needs, what we need, what at the moment, and what is the necessity of our personal things. So for that purpose we use need to. Okay, so always keep in your mind, whenever there kind of any needs or necessity, we must have to use need to. Like I need to go to join new company. I need to send email. I need to work hard. I need to study hard. I need to go to work. I need to go to join data analyst post. So like that you can make sentences, and it's very easy and simplest. This is the simplest, I think, modal verb about all. As I have shared, and whenever you are going to use of negative of this negative sentence, whenever it comes that it is okay, we need to go there, we need to do this work, we need to send an email, we need to work hard, just use need to and verb 1. That is the form of this modal verb. And when we have to use negative by using this modal verb, then how it can be? So it can be like that, subject do not oblique does not, do not or does not. As we know, before singular we used does not, and before after plural with plural we use do not. So you do not need to go there, we do not need to go there, we need to go there, we do not need to go there. Always keep in your mind, before need to you just have to use do not or does not to make it negative. And whenever you have to ask any question, क्या तुम्हें ये करने की ज़रूरत है, then how it can be in English, like do you do you, as we are using you, always keep in your mind, with you we always use do. So do you need to do this work? Do you need to go there? Do you need to join new company? Do you need to work as a data analytics? So like that you can start making sentences, and it is very easy, very simple. Just what you have to do, just practice. Google some sentences or whatever sentence coming in your mind, start thinking in Hindi the sentence जरूरत है. Okay, the sentence will come जरूरत है. So start thinking need to, whatever you are going to think in Hindi and translate after in English. After thinking in Hindi, you just start translating in English. And meanwhile, after practicing and search some from ChatGPT, from Google, go search it, search about need to, how we make sentences and in which area we can use need to, and you will get result more and more. Just practice 10 sentences, not more than 10. You have to practice just 10 sentences about need to, and after having that, start thinking from yourself, by yourself, in your mind, and creating in Hindi and translating in English need to, and go in front of camera and just start speaking whatever you have read in Google or ChatGPT. You don't have to create by yourself. Start with that sentences, speaking in front of camera. This is the only way you can practice and you can start speaking. Without speaking you can't improve, guys. This is core thing of speaking English. If you are not going to speak in front of camera or any people, you are not going to improve. So, and keep one thing in your mind, I keep saying in my each and every video that don't think about your mistake. Yeah, we all make mistake. Even after knowing all the things, we while speaking, everyone start making mistake. But you don't have to keep in your mind while speaking. Just start whatever coming in your mind. Be habituate of speaking words, sentences. Start speaking whatever coming in your mind. Read books and Google some words or sentences. Start speaking in front of camera. That is the only way you can start feeling, and you can start feeling, yeah, dare will come in your mind that, yeah, right now I'm speaking some words, some sentences, and gradually you will keep improving. So first you have to start speaking some sentences. Whether you are making mistake, don't think so much, just start. This is the only way to start speaking. And dare to, where we should use dare to means हिम्मत है. नीड टू एज ज़रूरत है, डेयर टू एज हिम्मत है. सो तुम्हें में यह काम करने की हिम्मत है. यू डेयर टू डू दिस वर्क. यू डेयर टू स्विच योर कंपनी. यू डेयर टू वर्क एज a data analyst. You dare to leave your current job. You dare to do whatever coming in your mind, or like that. This is so simplest and easiest. Like need to, you can use, go Google it, and as we have made negative about need to, like do not or does not, you have to do the same with dare to. You don't dare to do this work. He doesn't dare to this work, or you don't have to, you don't need to, or you don't dare to work hard. Like that you can make sentences. So first start speaking in Hindi, need to जरूरत है और हिम्मत है, then start translating in English. And if you are not able to make sentences, as it is very initial stage, everyone know that in initial period we can't think even a single word. Earlier I was also like that. I was not able to thinking about a single word. Whenever anyone asked to speak or to say any word. I was not able to use single word, and right now I am speaking very well. So guys, this is my tips and tricks that don't think whatever people keep saying that copy and paste whatever you are doing. Don't think much, just keep believing in yourself. Whatever making you whatever you are the way you are using to read or to improve, you are feeling very well. Yes, it is the only way that I will make you comfortable while your learning period. So you can do that, you can start accepting that method, what is working for you. So I observed that when you are not using or able to use any kind of words, speak any kind of words or sentences by yourself, then go Google some words and sentences or ChatGPT, start speaking. ChatGPT is the very helpful in your learning journey. Whatever come in your mind, whatever difficulties or you are getting stuck at any level, go speak clearly about your problem. ChatGPT will solve it out within a minute or second. So you don't have to think much. Go and try to speak more and more sentences. Repeat the sentences that it will be in your mind. Whenever come that kind of sentence, you will be able to speak. Initially you have to do this, then only you can improve. Okay guys, so don't think much, start speaking. This is the only way, and keep in your mind, don't think about one mistake. Go start speaking with people and record your video. Try to copy your words and sentences. Keep keep your books in front of you, and by seeing or watching or whatever thing, just watch, see, and speak in front of camera. It can be helpful for you. Whatever coming and you are feeling while your journey, improving journey, whatever you are feeling, it makes you feel happy, you just do this. It will be very helpful in your English learning journey. And keep in your mind that whatever helped me, I will also share with you. So till then, keep practicing, keep learning, go in front of camera, start your making video, upload in YouTube. Whatever you are doing, don't think, just start. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.